Hello guys, locate your math calendar, and today we're going to be working on week 4 this week. So we're going to be working on Meet Tamara, pages 84 to 85. So this is your assignment. Meet Tamara. Tamara works as a shipping clerk. She has to know math to do her job. She has to read zip codes and enter customers' order numbers. Tamara weighs packages, checks to be sure the amount for shipping an order is correct, makes sure orders are shipped on time, and knows how to apply discounts. So Tamara works as a shipping clerk. So now let's move on to your questions. And it says, circle all the ways Tamara uses math on her job. A, reads the customer order. B, weighs a package. And C, uses pallets. So circle your answer, A, B, or C. And number 2, circle the zip code on your package. So this would be your package, and I need for you guys to circle the zip code. Circle the zip code on the package. And number 3, a customer's order is $80, but there is a discount. The discount lets the customer pay $10 less. What is the total amount of the order? Show your work. So right here, I need for you guys to apply the $80 and then put the discount, $10 less. So for your challenge question, Tamara gets to work at 8 a.m. She leaves her apartment 35 minutes earlier. Circle the clock that shows when she leaves for work. Is it clock A, clock B, or clock C? Clock A is showing 7:25 a.m. Clock B is showing 8:25 a.m. and clock C is showing 6:25 a.m. So circle the clock that shows when she leaves for work.